Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man VV, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Real quick, man, I got a really cool video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to master a Gunna song. All right, you guys been asking about mastering, so we're going to jump right into it. I'm not even going to overtalk it. I'm in my free template. If you don't have a free template for recording in Logic or in Pro Tools, check out my free templates, man. They're going to completely change the way you sound, completely change the way that you record, and really inspire you to make some great songs right away. All right, so let's dive into the master. I already have the mix bus loaded up, so the song already sounds pretty good, but the mastering is going to give it that last edge it needs to get over, really in terms of loudness and in terms of tone and punch. So let's hear it as it is now, and then we'll dive in and start digging into the master. Let's get it. I pay the bill on time. Oh, okay, man. So I actually, if you guys see down here, I have Sound ID open. I mix in headphones, man, and I think this is the best tool for doing that, but it's heavy on your computer, so I have to take it off while we're working on the master. But yeah, if you haven't heard about Sound ID, check it out down below. I have a link for you guys to check out. Let's remove this, and then we'll listen again. I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight. I break you off all night. Just bought a Benz off white. She give me head, talk to her nice. I got blue hunters for life. Baby, I double my price. Alright, cool. As you can hear, the track already sounds good, but we really need to give it that finishing polish, because we play it next to another commercially released song. It's not going to stand up. It's not going to compete. It's going to be too quiet, too weak. It's not going to have the tone and the power that it needs. So let's get that in right now. I'm going to go down here to my master fader, and the first thing I'm going to load in is actually Ozone. You can use what I'm going to do here is EQ. So you can really use any EQ you want. I'm just going to use Ozone because that's the one I'm comfortable with. And I'm also going to use the maximizer, but I'm going to go ahead and turn that off for now. So let's hear what we got. I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight. I break you off all night. Just bought a Benz off white. She give me head, talk to her nice. I got blue hunters for life. Baby, I double my price. Plus 20 minutes for the I pay the. And as you can see, we're just making very slight and very kind of general moves, very gentle moves, because we don't want to do anything too dramatic or too tone shaping here. The song is pretty locked in. We're just giving it that extra polish to make sure that it's competitive. So I'm going to tweak this EQ a little bit more. We're going to jump to the maximizer. I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got off white, she give me head, talk to her. I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight. I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight. I break you off all night. Just bought a Benz off white. She give me head, talk to her nice. I got blue hunters for life. Baby, I double my price. As you can see, even here on the maximizer, the peak reduction that it's doing is very minimal. Like, these are very general moves. We're not doing anything too dramatic, anything too crazy, but it's going to add up. So I like where all this is. I'm going to jump into one of my next steps, which is the clipper. So I just like to use standard clip. Anytime I do a mix, there's going to be a few of these clippers up there, man, because they really make it so easy to kind of control the dynamics or keep your song from clipping. In a way that's just like easy to control. It doesn't get away from you. You can use a bunch of these. So I'm going to clip because I want to try to get some more volume out of the overall track before I throw the limiter on there. I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight. I break you off all night. Just bought a Benz off white. She give me head, talk to her nice. I got blue hunters for life. Baby, I double my price. Plus 20 minutes for the I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight. I break you off all night. Just bought a
All right, man. So we got the clipper dialed in. I'm gonna grab my preferred limiter, which is the FGX from Slate. They call it the virtual mastering console, and it does, because we have the compression as well. We can mess with the trains and all. It does a lot more than just limiting. But what I'm gonna do before I even dial in the compression, I just want to get the gain dialed in and see how loud what potential loudness we can get. So let's mess with that first.
I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight. I break you off all night, just bought a Benz off.
Too much heat. Let's get it.
I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal.
And while we're doing this, let's actually look at our meter to see how loud we're getting, and it looks like we're getting some decent volume.
I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight.
Yeah, it's very loud. I'm gonna mess with the compression, and the compression is basically just gonna tame the dynamics of the track a little bit more, so I can try to push out a little bit more volume as well, which is really what I'm attempting to do right now. Keep it as balanced and as dynamic as possible, and also get it as loud as possible. So
I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight. I break you off all night, just bought a Benz off white. She give me head, talk to her nice. I got blue hunters for life. Baby, I double my price. 520 minutes for the
So yeah, man, it's that easy. It's that simple to get a great, loud, punchy, balanced master. We only used 3 plugins. It only took us like, maybe 5-10 minutes. I'm telling you, man, you can do this too. If you want to learn a little bit more, drop me a line down below, man. Ask your questions in the comments, whatever you need. My name is Vivi, and I'm here for you. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
I pay the bill on time, pop a new seal, full pint. I got them sticks on sight. I break you off all night, just bought a Benz off white. She give me head, talk to her nice. I got blue hunters for life. Baby, I double my price. 520 minutes for the